Have you ever stopped to ask why vegetarianism keeps resurfacing in conversations about health, sustainability, and faith? Is it simply a modern lifestyle choice, or is there something deeper behind it? Today, let us explore why vegetarianism through biology, nutrition, disease prevention, and scripture. Basic biology teaches us a foundational truth. All energy in living systems originates from the sun. Plants convert light energy into chemical energy through photosynthesis, forming the primary food source within every ecosystem. This energy then flows from plants to animals and finally to humans through what we call the food chain, and in its more complex form, the food web. One principle governs all food chains. Only about 10% of energy is transferred from one trophic level to the next. This means that the further food is removed from plants, the less energy and nutritional value remains. Herbivores consume plants directly and retain more of this original energy. Carnivores and humans consuming animal flesh receive energy second-hand or even third-hand. From a biological and nutritional standpoint, plant-based diets are more energy efficient and nutrient preserving. Within ecosystems, decomposers such as bacteria and fungi recycle nutrients back into the soil, a process called mineralization. This ensures that plants can begin the cycle again. Nature itself is structured around plants as the foundation of life. But one question remains central in discussions about vegetarianism. What about protein? Proteins are polymers made up of smaller units called amino acids. There are 20 amino acids, all of which are required to build body tissues, enzymes, hormones, and immune molecules. Some amino acids are essential, meaning they must be obtained from food, while others are non-essential because the body can synthesize them. Importantly, all proteins, whether from plants or animals, are built from the same amino acids. Contrary to popular belief, complete proteins are not exclusive to animal products. Several plant foods contain all essential amino acids, including quinoa, soybeans and soy products, amaranth, chia seeds, buckwheat, spirulina, hemp seeds. Plant proteins also offer added benefits: no cholesterol, lower saturated fat, rich dietary fiber, abundant vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Beyond nutrition, another critical issue is disease risk associated with meat consumption. Animals classified as unclean in scripture are associated with well-documented health hazards. For example, pigs have been linked to trichinosis caused by Trichinella spiralis, teniasis and cystic ercosis from pork tapeworms that can invade the brain and cause seizures, hepatitis E, commonly transmitted through pork products, yersiniosis, a bacterial infection that can mimic appendicitis. These findings are documented by the World Health Organization, WHO, and Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Shellfish, such as shrimp, crabs, and lobsters, are also classified as unclean. Medical literature associates them with Vibrio infections, including cholera-like illnesses, and heavy metal accumulation, such as mercury and cadmium. Paralytic shellfish poisoning caused by marine toxins that cooking cannot destroy. These organisms act as environmental filters, concentrating toxins within their tissues, FAO, WHO. Even animals considered clean are not without risk. A striking example is bovine spongiform encephalopathy, commonly known as mad cow disease. This condition is caused by prions, misfolded proteins that destroy brain tissue, resist heat, and standard cooking. Can infect humans as variant Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, a fatal neurodegenerative disorder. This outbreak led to massive cattle culling worldwide and permanent changes in livestock feeding practices. WHO CDC. Poultry, another clean animal, is frequently linked to salmonella infections. Campylobacter, one of the leading causes of foodborne illness globally. These infections can result in dehydration, bloodstream infections, and long-term complications. CDC FAO. These examples do not suggest that everyone who eats meat will become ill, but they do reveal an important truth. Animal flesh carries inherent biological and microbial risks, especially when consumed frequently or excessively. Plant-based diets, by contrast, are naturally free from zoonotic infections, parasitic transmission, prion diseases. From Scripture, God's original dietary design is unmistakable. Behold, I have given you every herb bearing seed, and every tree yielding fruit. To you it shall be for meat. Genesis 1:29. In Eden, humanity thrived on a plant-based diet. Even animals were initially given green herbs for food. Meat consumption entered after sin, and later God established distinctions between clean and unclean animals, not to burden humanity, but to protect life. Scripture repeatedly links physical discipline with spiritual clarity. God desires His people to be healthy in body and soul. Beloved, I wish above all things that thou mayest prosper and be in health, even as thy soul prospereth. 3 John 2. So, why vegetarianism? Not because protein is absent, not because meat is instantly fatal, but because vegetarianism aligns with biological efficiency, reduces disease risks, reflects God's original design, promotes stewardship of the body. Whether therefore ye eat or drink or whatsoever ye do, do all to the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10:31. Be blessed. Need assistance in transitioning to a vegetarian dietary lifestyle? Consult Ruth Jo, Nate Excel Health Center at Obuasi Horsey Park, store number 130, or reach us on these hotlines: 0547528777, 0547528788, 0549063230. Order all your vegetarian diets from us. We are here to serve you. Ruth Jo Nate Excel Health Center. Your health, our priority.